Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to center align text in Notion. First, click on New Page in the sidebar to create a fresh page where we can add some content. Type /callout and select Callout from the menu that appears. A callout block drops onto your page with an editable text area inside. Now type in your text. For this example, I'm typing, "What this video shows, how to center align a block of text in a Notion page using the Blocks Align option." Then click outside the callout to deselect it so we can work with the block itself. Type /call to bring up the column layout menu, then press Escape to close it. We're not actually adding columns, we just needed to deselect the text inside the block. Hover over the callout block until you see the 6-dot drag handle appear on the left. Then click and hold that handle to select the entire block. You'll see a blue selection line appear underneath it. With the block selected, look for the alignment controls that appear in the block menu. You'll see options for left, center, and right alignment. Click the center alignment option and your callout block immediately shifts to the center of the page, with equal spacing on both sides. Click anywhere else on the page to deselect the block and see your centered text in its final position. This centering method works by selecting the entire block rather than just the text inside. The drag handle is your key tool for whole block operations. If you need to adjust the position later, click the drag handle again and drag the block to a new spot, or use the same technique on other block types like images, embeds, or text blocks. Keep in mind that Notion pages center content within the available canvas width, so if your sidebar is open, the centered position accounts for that narrower space. And that's how to center align text in Notion. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.